Hello everybody, this is 2007 SLK 280. Customer complained where the windshield wash fluid pump wasn't working. So if you want to locate the washer fluid pump, it's right here and it's under the fender liner. You got to get to the wheel well, take the wheel off, and then take all the 10mm bolts right here. You got two right here, you got one right here, and then one right up here. Take those out, and then your fender liner will be free. Take this guy out. Now you can see your washer fluid pump. On my customer, he complained. He told me that recently there was electrical work done to the car, so he's not sure if the pump's bad or the electrical work was not done right. So what I'm going to do is directly jump the pump here. On European cars, all the brown, solid brown wire is ground, and other colored wires are your positive. So let me get my tester and I'll be right back. If you have a tester like this where you can connect the positive and ground, and this will give you the ground and positive on demand. So what we can do is actually touch the cable going to the actual whatever pump or switch you're testing, unplug the switch and give it power if you need, ground if you need, just to see if the switch is bad or there's no continuity or so on. So in this case, I'm just gonna try to give it a power real quick. No response. Okay, let's try to give it a ground. So when I give direct power here, and it's not doing anything. That's right now the circuit sits on ground, and actual ground circuit is grounded. You can see we have negative coming here. And we're not waiting for the switch to send power here. I'm manually sending power here, so that tells me more likely the wiring is good, the pump itself is bad. So I'm going to take the pump out and separate it and check the motor. In my case, the bottle is full. I'm going to let the system drain and then take the pump out. So I gotten the pump out, and it looks like this is the same problem as the other Mercedes had. The pump is rusted out. So most likely the armature, the motor is locked up. And this happens a lot whenever people switch the washer fluid with water. I've seen this happen a lot. So I can open this to inspect it further, but there's no reason to waste time. We're going to need a new pump.